Sairam children, it's time to study environmental studies today. Okay, and today we are going to start a new chapter. But before starting the new chapter, tell me which was the previous chapter? The chapter which I taught you before your summer vacation. Which was that chapter? The chapter was the food we eat. The chapter was the food we eat. In that chapter, what did I teach you? We eat 3 meals in a day. We eat 3 meals in a day. The first is breakfast. The first is breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. After that, we eat lunch. We have our lunch. When do we have our lunch? We eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Then dinner. Then is the dinner, the last meal of the day. When do we eat dinner? We eat dinner at night. We eat dinner at night. There are many kinds of food, children. You all know, I have taught you previously, there are many kinds of food, and these types of food, these kinds of food, they help us in different ways. These kinds of food help us in different ways. So there are many kinds of food. Now milk, what is this? This is milk. Do you drink milk every day? You drink milk every day? Very nice. Milk keeps our bone strong. Milk keeps our bones strong. So you should drink milk every day. Also, you should eat fruits and vegetables. You should also eat fruits and vegetables regularly every day. Okay, children? And last, what are these? These are the junk food. These are the junk food. I told you that you should not eat junk food. You can eat pizza or you can eat ice creams once in a week or once in twice a week. Okay, so don't eat pizzas or ice cream or burgers every day. Okay, so that was all about the chapter. Now today we are going to start a new chapter. Today we are going to start a new chapter. So now tell me, children, where are you all sitting? You are sitting in the sofa or on your bed. What you all are wearing? What you all are wearing? You all are wearing clothes. You all are wearing clothes. So today we are going to study the chapter number 6, the clothes we wear. What are we going to study? Chapter number 6, the clothes we wear. Now tell me, what are clothes? Do you know what are clothes? What are clothes? Dress items worn on the body are called clothes. What are clothes? Dress items or clothing that you wear on your body are called clothes. Are called clothes. Now let me show you some types of clothes. See, there are so many types of clothes shown here. See, there are so many types of clothes. The first is frock. The first is frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. The next is sweater. The next is sweater. Then skirt. Then skirt. Then is t-shirt. Then is t-shirt. Then shorts. Shorts. Then socks. Where do you wear socks? You wear socks on your feet. Then is the cap. Where do you wear a cap? You wear a cap on your head. Then this is the shirt. This is the shirt. This is sari. Your mother wears sari. Do you like your mother wearing sari? Yes? Yes. So, and last is salwar kameez. This is the salwar kameez. Okay children, these are different types of clothes. Now, look here. Here also there are different clothes. These are so colorful. See? Yellow, blue, red, green. So colorful they are, right? Yes. Then, why do we wear clothes, children? Why do we wear clothes? Do you know why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. You all wear clothes, right? Why do you wear clothes? You wear clothes to cover your body. Now, clothes make us look smart. Children, when you go to a party or whenever you go to any marriage, do you wear old clothes? No, you don't wear old clothes, right? You wear new clothes. You all wear new clothes. You all love to wear new clothes. What happens when you wear new clothes? You look smart. You look smart. So clothes also make us look smart. Now children, do you all know what are seasons? What are seasons? Basically, there are how many types of seasons? There are 3 main seasons. There are 3 main seasons. What are those 3 main seasons, children? Those are the summer season, the winter season, the second is the winter season, and lastly the rainy season. Basically, there are 3 main types of seasons. What are they? Summer season, winter season, and rainy season. There are 3 types of season: summer, winter, and rainy season. Now, in all these seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes in different season. We don't wear same types of clothes in all the seasons. We wear different types of clothes in different season. Now, let's talk about the summer season. Now, what is summer season? Summer is a hot season. What is summer season? Summer is a hot season. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly in the sky, and the sky is very clear. The sky is clear. You like to eat ice cream during summer season, don't you? You like to eat ice cream during the summer season? Yes, and you also like to drink cold drinks during the summer season. Okay, and people use ACs, fans, and coolers during the summer season. Yes, people use coolers, AC during the summer seasons or not? Yes. So these coolers and AC keep the body cool. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. What type of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes during the summer season. Now you might be asking, what is cotton? Let me show you the picture of a cotton. See, this is cotton. What do you see? Can you see this something white in color here? Can you see? This is cotton. This is cotton. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We make cotton clothes from this cotton. We make cotton clothes from this cotton, and we get cotton from the cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants. From where do we get cotton? We get cotton from the cotton plants. And cotton in its raw form is it's not so strong. Okay, children? So to make cloth, we need to make it strong. To make it into strong yarn, it needs to be twisted. Okay, children? Then it can be woven into cotton cloth. Okay, the cotton in its raw form, when the cotton is in the plant, it is not strong, it is very weak. So we cannot make cotton from the cotton balls. It needs to be twisted and then it is woven into cotton cloth. Understood, children? So this was all about cotton plants. Now let's revise it again. What are clothes? Dress items worn on the body are called clothes. And these are the different types of clothes. These are different types of clothes. And we wear clothes to cover our body. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, and clothes also make us look smart. Now let's talk about seasons. So basically there are 3 types of seasons. They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. There are basically 3 types of seasons. There are 3 types of season, and we wear different kinds of clothes in different season. We don't wear same type of clothes in all the season. So in different season we wear different types of clothes. Now in summer season we wear which kind of clothes? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. This is a picture of a cotton ball. The cotton ball is white in color, but the clothes that you wear, cotton clothes, they are not all white. They are of different colors. So these cotton balls or the cotton cloth which is made afterwards is dyed into different colors. Some are dyed in red color, pink color, yellow color. Different colors of dyes are used to color the cloth. Cotton clothes keep us cool. Why do we wear cotton clothes during the summer season? We wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep us cool. We don't feel hot when we wear cotton clothes. That's why we wear cotton clothes during the summer season. They keep us cool. So children, this was all about the summer season. In the next class, we are going to talk about the rest of the 2 seasons and the clothes we wear during those seasons. So till then, you watch the video again, revise it properly and complete the worksheet. Okay children?